Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and I did find some new exciting items. So if you're ready to see what I found at my Dollar Tree, go ahead and stick around for this video. Alright, so I'm so excited that I found things because honestly guys, I went into my Dollar Tree expecting to find nothing because the week before I found a ton of new items. So I thought surely I'm not going to find very many new things, but I did find some. So I want to start off by saying that when I went into my store, which it was a Thursday, there were new boxes everywhere up and down the aisles. There were some aisles I couldn't even get down. So I'm definitely going to be going back maybe this weekend and checking in that Dollar Tree again to see what was in those boxes. I was like trying to creep on some of the boxes, but some of them didn't have pictures and all that. So I just thought I'll come back another day. So, all right, let's go ahead and let's start off with the item that I was the most excited about. And for me, it was these planner stickers. Now, if you are into planning or even if you just like stickers, these are such an amazing find because there is, let me see if it says, yeah, there's 323 stickers in here. You can definitely tell by the way that it looks. They are trying to be like the Happy Planner. So this is like the knockoff version of the Happy Planner. So I'll just flip through so you guys can get a taste of what it is. My store had 3 or 4 different ones, but I picked out my 2 favorites. Yeah, I was really excited to find these. I think these are such a great find. I found these by the little like impulse novelty section, kind of up by the registers. They were not in my sticker aisle, so be on the lookout for these. Some more exciting finds. I've been seeing some other YouTubers finding these at their Dollar Tree. And first of all, let me talk about the Dollar Tree, what do they call it? Plus, Dollar Tree Plus or whatever, where they sell other things that are more than just $1. I personally don't care for that at all. I don't like it. That's not why I come to Dollar Tree. I come to Dollar Tree to find a good deal, and I come to Dollar Tree because everything's $1 and I don't have to check it on price tags and all that kind of stuff. And so I just don't like that Dollar Tree Plus section. If I'm gonna go and buy something that's like more than $1, $3 to $5, $10, which is what most of the things are marked, are like $5, then I'm not going to go to Dollar Tree to buy that. I'm going to go somewhere else. So I just don't like that. When I saw these, I thought, oh, for sure these are going to be like the $3 and they're going to be so expensive, but they rang up $1. So these are $1. Let me take one out of the package to show you guys. So the blue one is blue ginger. So again, I love ginger scented and flavored stuff. If you watch my channel, I've said that before. So I can't wait to see how this one smells. I'll take them out of the package to show you. And then this one is white grapefruit and Mosa mint. Not a huge grapefruit fan, but I'm sure it smells good. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. It reminds me of like a mousse can. And it says that it's an in-shower foam conditioner. And I can smell it through here. And it does, it smells good. It smells clean and it smells like refreshing. So definitely excited to try this one. And then my store also had this blue one. Again, it's the blue ginger. And that one smells good too. It kind of has a very like perfumey smell to it. I almost want to say that I kind of like the grapefruit one better, but we'll have to see when I actually use them. So I'll have to use both and see which one I like better, see if they leave like a lasting scent. One of my most exciting finds, I was going down the aisle and my store had all the calendars on the end, like on the end cap, and I just saw this calendar sitting there and I immediately grabbed it and was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm so happy that I found this. It's gonna go up in my classroom by my desk, and it is a Lisa Frank calendar. When I was a kid, I was so crazy about Lisa Frank. I had all the stickers. I had like a sticker book full. I had a lunchbox that I absolutely loved that had polar bears on it. I had the backpack. I loved Lisa Frank. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this. So here's what it looks like on the front. It's the tiger. You guys, if you're a Lisa Frank fan, you know all the prints and everything like that, all the pictures. So it's the tiger, and it just says official 2020 12-month calendar. So I'll have to wait a few months to use it, but that's okay. And then on the back side, it does start in January. Some of them don't. Some of them randomly start in the middle of the year, I've noticed. But yeah, it's just got some of the classic prints. So cute. I remember having a folder for one of my classes that was this kitty cat print. So you guys can see these are all of the different months pictures. So cute. I'm so excited to have this. I may be an adult, but I still totally like fangirl out over this Lisa Frank stuff. I just love the color scheme. You can't be in a bad mood around stuff like this. Down my glow aisle, my Dollar Tree has an aisle completely dedicated to glow stuff. So let me know in the comment section if your Dollar Tree does that too. But I kid you not, one of the entire sides of one of the aisles is just covered in, you know, glow sticks and glow jewelry and just all that stuff, the glow toys. So in my glow section at my store, I found this glow in the dark, they're bracelets and they look like ghosts. So you can see that's what they look like. And it is a 2-pack. It says it's made by Dream Glow, but on the back it says that it's a Greenbrier product. But I thought that these would be perfect to wear around our wrist when we're going trick-or-treating. My neighborhood has lights, but it can get a little bit dark in area, so it's always better safe than sorry to have these little glow bracelets on when you're trick-or-treating. So be on the lookout for these. I think these are so perfect. You should definitely have something glow on your kids when they're walking around trick-or-treating just for safety purposes. So be on the lookout for these. Also Halloween related, I found these socks and they say creepin' it real, and that's just like my thing. I totally love that saying. I love like creeper and like creepin', and I don't know why, but I love it. If you watched my Target dollar spot haul that I just posted either before or after this video, I found the window clings that said creepin' it real, and I found these socks that say creepin' it real. So I love it. They're so cute. You can't really tell, but there is a gray like line across the top, and I think that they are tube socks. So yeah, they are. They're like tube socks. So I thought this was really, really cute. I also picked up a candle. My store did have a pumpkin spice candle, but when I smelled it, it just didn't smell very good. So I went ahead and left that one at the store. This is the one that I picked up. It is the warm maple syrup one, and I just took the lid off and was holding it kind of down here, and I can smell it from here. It smells exactly like maple syrup, like, or even just like regular syrup. Maybe not maple syrup, but it smells like really, really strongly straight up syrup. It smells so good. I love this sweet smell for the fall time. It is made by, it's not a Star or an Old Williamsburg. It's actually made by the Luminescence, which is a Dollar Tree brand, but it's in the same jar as a Old Williamsburg candle. So I'm thinking maybe that's who it's made by. I don't know. but it smells amazing. If it has a throw when it's being burnt, like the cold throw, then it's going to be a really good candle. So we will see about this. I'm pretty excited to try it, and I will be reviewing this candle on my candle review video that I'm currently working on for a bunch of different fall scented candles. I picked up this toothbrush. It is the charcoal infused toothbrush. I really wanted that bamboo charcoal infused toothbrush that they had at Dollar Tree a little while back, but I never did see it in any of my Dollar Trees. And this is like the same exact thing, just not the bamboo. It is plastic, but I'm excited to try it. We'll see. I need a new toothbrush anyway, so I debated. I almost put it back down, and then I thought, no, go ahead and grab it. You need a new toothbrush. So yeah, we'll see about this. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this toothbrush and if you like it, or if you've tried the bamboo toothbrush and if you like that one. If you watched my Dollar Tree haul from last week, you saw that I hauled a bunch of this Q-Tex Care products. I got the foot deodorizer and the softening lotion. I found this hand and cuticle cream, and I was really happy to find this because my hands are so dry. If you guys ever see me doing my DIYs and you see like my hands close up, you may be like, what is wrong with your hands? Why are they so dry? I do not know why, but my fingers peel really badly. I do wash my hands a ton, a lot. I can't stand my hands to be even remotely dirty, so maybe that's why. But I found this. It's an all-in-one 24-hour hydration. It does say it's dermatologist tested, which I like because a lot of products bother me, like my allergies. This one's unscented. My store did have one that was scented, but they also had the unscented. So I grabbed the unscented one. Let's see if it's like greasy or anything like that. So it feels really good. It's not oily or greasy, and it does say it's the unscented. Yeah, and there's really not a scent to it. It almost just kind of has that like silicone smell to it. But I like sitting here, I can't smell anything unless I get really close. Yeah, I really like this stuff a lot. It's not greasy at all, so I think that I would highly recommend this. I really like it. And my last two items that I picked up 2 of these baby blankets, and the reason that I picked these up is if you watched my latest Dollar Tree DIY, I made fabric pumpkins out of some scarves that I had bought at the Dollar Tree, and I'm doing a buffalo check theme this year for fall and Halloween. When I saw this buffalo check baby blanket, it is in the light gray and white. I thought I can do a lot of DIYs with this. I'm thinking maybe some pillows or some more fabric pumpkins, but I picked up 2 of these to do something like that. Okay guys, so that was my Dollar Tree haul, kind of short and sweet. Found a lot of good stuff this week. Hopefully you guys find a lot of good stuff at your Dollar Tree as well, or if you saw something that I picked up and you're looking for it at yours, I hope you have luck doing that. Thank you so much for sticking with me all the way until the end of the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!